I'm supposed to be leaving in 2 days, and I've never been this stressed and intentional in all my life, because my parents reviewed my passport, and my sister was telling me how the driver was so rude and she forgot herself and didn't even register the item. Let's talk about Ghana. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's not really my favorite country. I don't know what to expect, to be honest. I'm very selective about who makes my hair. I don't like when I go to a salon to do my hair and there's like more than 5 hands on my hair. I don't even like more than 2. You get? I just want the main madam of the shop, like the real person that knows how to do hair should do my hair. I don't want you to be using my hair to learn how to braid or learn how to teach your semi-workers how to braid hair. Like, I hate that shit so much. I don't know, sometimes I just really crave shawarma. Like anything junk like chicken and chips. There's enough garlic and ginger in this shawarma, like the same thing I was avoiding. My biggest fear has come to pass. This woman did me dirty. Just look. You can probably see, but this hair looks like it has still like 2 weeks in, and this hair, I just like got it today. Even the roots are not even like, usually when I even get braids, the roots are so tight that I can barely even see something to edge control. But this one is just so free. Like, the hair just looks like it has stayed like 100 years that I got it. I just want to chop off everything at this point. Like, I'm so upset. This is why I never get braids in this stupid state, because they don't know how to fucking braid hair. Just imagine, the hair looks so old. I can't even sleep. Hi, good morning. So it's currently 8 a.m. I know you guys saw me crying last night, right? I woke up by 4 a.m. today, and I was asking myself, wait, why was I crying? That does not make sense. Why was I bawling hysterically? So this is not an official japa from the city, but this is how ready they are. This is when you involve my parents into a vacation, and this is what they turn it into. And they are still packing. No, my father hasn't even started packing yet. Just look at how many people are going for this journey. Please, place of Stella, she's not around, so I'm vlogging for her. We are done packing. We're about to leave the house, and my parents are still upstairs doing whatever they do. And I think here. And this is the car we're going. Amazing is traveling. Like, she's so excited. I travel.
because I'm a smart girl, darling girl, and darling girl.